Let me just unlock this phone real quick. So now that we're in Robinhood, I just wanted to show you guys how to get stocks at the price that you want. So some people didn't know how to do this. It took me a while to figure this out. So all you want to do is you guys want to head over to, let's say, let's check out the stocks that I'm buying, right? So I'm in the middle of a swing trade between UGAZ and CHK. So if you guys are looking to just buy some shares at the price that you want, all you have to do is click buy and then head on over to go to order types, and you guys want to select on limit orders, the second one down. So once you guys click on that, all you guys have to do is say the price that you want to buy it for. So what this does, let's say the market price is at $14.98. The market is closed right now, it's 2 o'clock and it is a Sunday. So markets don't open until 6:30 Monday, which are our pre-market hours. So we're over here now at limit price, and we just want to put in the price that we want. So let's say it's at $14, right? So I'm saying the only amount that I'm willing to pay for a UGAZ share is $14.80, okay? And I want to continue, and I'm saying, okay, it's fine to go to extended hours. This is just saying, like, if it reaches over market hours, are you fine with us fulfilling your order after market hours? Is that cool with you? And yeah, it's up to you guys, your preference. And this is also a cancellation when it wants to force order, or when it wants to, like, for example, not fulfill it. So all you guys have to do is just choose one. 3 p.m. tomorrow sounds great. And I go to that, and now it's already set. All the options are set, and it just wants to say limit price $14.80. Save that, and how much shares you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy 50, review, and of course I don't have the buying power, but that's how I bought my shares of UGAZ. So that's all you guys have to do. It's very simple, it's very fast, and one reason why I love this method is because last time I bought shares of UGAZ, actually I lost a lot of money. The price was dropping really quickly, right? So I wanted to just cash in my profit, and I just sold. So what I mean by just sold, I just go to sell, and I have 300 shares, right? So let's say I just sold my 300 shares, reviewed, and I swiped up. So the reason what made this why I lost a lot of money was because when you do that, it just sells your shares at the orders that's on the market currently. It doesn't sell the shares at the market price. It just sells at the orders that are in the market already. So it's not promising that you're going to get that price, which it didn't. For example, like if I were to sell right now and the markets were open, it was fluctuating a lot, I can make $14 and $14.80 instead of $14.98. And if you have 300 shares, that's a lot of money. That's about, like, $70 or something, and when you have orders like these placed, it makes sure that you are confident in selling your shares for the price that you want, right? So this is why I love this method. This is why I love using the limit orders, and we're going to be getting into all these types of order types. For example, the market order is the simple one. You just sell it and buy it at the market price. You get whatever you get. You just swipe and it automatically fulfills your order during market hours. The limit order is what I like the best, what we're going to be using. And then we're going to be getting into the stop order for the next episode. I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys did, smash that like button, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.